This is my truck. One of Progressive Insurance Company clients decided to run into the side of me, and there's the police report from it. The date was 12/27 of '02. Has all the driver's information, VIN number of the truck, driver's license number, everything, and there's mine. I'm V1. In the accident, I had no contributing actions to cause it. He had an improper lane change. V1 is me, I was going straight. V2, which is him, he was changing lanes, are merging. There are the passengers. I had my wife and daughter with me. He had his wife. There's V1, which is me, severe damage on the left-hand side of my truck. It was a fender well on the front of the truck, and his was on the passenger side, down the side, with severe damage, over 400 on both of them. And here's this diagram, the original diagram from '02, where it shows THP shows that he just decided to merge into my lane, and I was there, and so we got a little body damage. Progressive doesn't seem to, with all this information, know what happened to the accident report. I took it to their preferred body shop 12/30 of '02 at 8:20 in the morning when I got back from my vacation, and got an estimate written up. Since it was their preferred body shop, I really wanted the lifetime warranty, just because of what's going on right now. Lifetime's lifetime, and that's definitely rust, and I've talked to 3 of their agents, and they all agree that it's rusting from the inside out, probably because of improper prep work. But that company's no longer in business. There's where I had it fixed by them, and I picked it up on February 4th, 2003. It was Progressive Insurance Company. Their insurance check was that number right there, and I picked it up on 2/4, and so it was paid, and I got my truck back. Seems like a simple case if they could find their records. It seems like I keep better records than they do, but they don't seem to be able to find out any claim on that. But that's what I'd like fixed, is all along the bed, it's where their repair work is rusting from underneath. This is a worse section right here. And every time I get in my truck, I just see that, and it's gotten worse, so I'd really like to have it fixed. As you can tell, I try to keep a pretty good looking truck, and every time I look at that rust, it's finally time to do something, and they apparently have lost any information that this wreck ever occurred. And I almost feel like they don't want to cover it.